Yeah, so guys, I found our old cell phones. Chola! Let's do our old cell phones. Here is mine. Is Boko.
I'm just charging my cell phone. I'm charging my cell phone.
Boko, yeah.
I'm charging.
Chola, show your cell phone.
I'm just charging my cell phone. You see?
Charge your TV too.
We don't have chargers.
Well, fix it. I'm so
Fix
sad.
The
So sad, you guys. I'm so sad, you guys.
Otto! Otto, where's my gun? Otto, where's my gun?
I'll not show my favorite bit ever again.
I'm just charging my phone. Hey, now.
Charge it. Charge this too.
What? My charger is right. My broken charger is.
Charge this. That's also your old one.
That's my old one. And there's a sticker. Yeah, there's a sticker here. What? There's a sticker. I'm just charging my phone right here. I'm charging my phone.
Can you charge my phone too?
But already no one. Hey, give me my gun back.
I'll not give you the gun if you don't charge my phone. Ow. Yeah. Well, I'm not asking for help.
Other?
And for money. I need money.
Where's the lid? Other show. Where's the lid? Oh.